This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file an LLC as an S-Corp for taxes. This election can offer significant tax advantages for your business. By choosing S-Corp status, you can potentially reduce your self-employment tax burden, which is typically 15.3% on all profits for LLCs taxed as sole proprietorships. Instead, you pay yourself a reasonable salary, and the remaining profits can be taken as distributions, which are not subject to self-employment taxes. This strategy can lead to substantial savings. Before making the S-Corp election, ensure your LLC meets the Internal Revenue Service's eligibility criteria. Your business must be a domestic entity, meaning it's formed in the United States. You can have a maximum of 100 shareholders, and all of them must be U.S. citizens or resident aliens. Additionally, an S-Corp can only have one class of stock. Certain types of financial institutions or insurance companies are generally not eligible for this election. The core of electing S-Corp status for your LLC is filing IRS Form 2553, officially titled Election by a Small Business Corporation. This form is how you inform the Internal Revenue Service of your decision to be taxed as an S-Corporation. It's crucial to accurately complete all sections, including details about your business and the consent of all shareholders. Once filled out, mail the form to the specific IRS address designated for your state. Timing is critical when filing Form 2553. Generally, you need to file by March 15th of the tax year you want the election to take effect. If you're starting a new business, you can also file within 2 months and 15 days of the beginning of your tax year. Always consider consulting with a qualified tax professional. They can help ensure you meet all requirements, maintain proper payroll, and maximize the tax advantages of your S-Corp election.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.